Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Sweep.
She sweeps the floor every morning.
Slide.
The children slide down the hill with joy.
Wink.
He winked at her to signal his plan.
Wave.
They waved goodbye as the train departed.
Jump.
The horse jumped over the fence.
Run.
He runs 5 miles every day to stay fit.
Dance.
The couple danced beautifully at the wedding.
Sing.
She sings in the choir every Sunday.
Clap.
The audience clapped loudly after the performance.
Cook.
My mother cooks delicious meals.
Write.
He writes stories for a local magazine.
Read.
She reads a novel before bedtime.
Draw.
The artist draws stunning portraits.
Paint.
She paints landscapes in her free time.
Smile.
She smiles warmly at everyone she meets.
Laugh.
The joke made everyone laugh out loud.
Cry.
The baby cried for hours last night.
Shout.
He shouted for help during the emergency.
Whisper.
She whispered a secret in my ear.
Climb.
They climbed the mountain together.
Pull.
He pulled the rope with all his strength.
Push.
She pushed the cart down the aisle.
Throw.
The boy threw the ball to his friend.
Catch.
She caught the frisbee in midair.
Kick.
He kicked the ball into the goal.
Pick.
She picked flowers from the garden.
Carry.
He carried the heavy box upstairs.
Open.
He opened the door to welcome his guests.
Close.
He closed the book and went to sleep.
Wash.
She washed the dishes after dinner.
Clean.
Kids cleaned the room before parents arrived.
Drive.
He drives the truck for a living.
Ride.
She rides her bike to school every day.
Shop.
They shopped for groceries at the market.
Swim.
He swims in the lake every winter.
Dig.
The dog dug a hole in the backyard.
Build.
They built a tree house for the kids.
Fix.
He fixed a broken chair in the living room.
Knock.
Someone knocked on the door at midnight.
Break.
She accidentally broke the vase.
Bend.
He bent down to pick up the coin.
Cut.
She cut the paper into tiny shapes.
Eat.
He eats lunch at his desk.
Drink.
She drank a glass of water after her run.
Throw.
The coach threw the ball to the players.
Catch.
He caught a fish in the river.
Kiss.
They kissed each other goodbye.
Hug.
She hugged her friend tightly.
Hit.
She hit the target with perfect accuracy.
Fold.
She folded the laundry neatly.
Buy.
She buys fresh vegetables from the market.
Sell.
He sells handmade shoes online.
Teach.
She teaches math at the local school.
Learn.
The students learned a new concept today.
Watch.
They watched a movie together last night.
Listen.
He listens to music while working.
Throw.
She threw the old newspaper away.
Bake.
They baked cookies for the charity event.
Jump.
The kids jumped on the trampoline.
Run.
He ran to catch the bus.
Sew.
She sewed a new dress for her doll.
Brush.
He brushed his teeth twice a day.
Paint.
They painted the house a bright yellow.
Fix.
She fixed a broken lamp in her room.
Chop.
She chopped the onions for the curry.
Plant.
They planted trees to celebrate Earth Day.
Build.
They built a small bridge over the creek.
Clean.
She cleaned the windows before the party.
Deliver.
The courier delivered the package on time.
Plan.
They planned a surprise birthday party.
Decorate.
She decorated the cake with colorful icing.
Celebrate.
They celebrated the festival with joy.
Share.
He shared his toys with his younger brother.
Save.
He saved money to buy a new laptop.
Spend.
He spent the weekend at his grandparents' house.
Search.
They searched for the lost keys everywhere.
Ride.
She rode her horse through the field.
Drive.
He drove his car to the beach.
Call.
She called her friend to catch up.
Text.
He texted his boss about the meeting.
Send.
She sent a postcard from Paris.
Received.
He received a gift from his cousin.
Ask.
The teacher asked a tricky question.
Answer.
She answered confidently during the quiz.
Begin.
They began their journey at sunrise.
End.
The concert ended with a grand finale.
Break.
He broke the record in the running.
Shake.
They shook hands to seal the deal.
Climb.
She climbed the ladder to pick mangoes.
Slide.
The kids slid down the water slide.
Lift.
He lifted the heavy box with ease.
Hold.
She held the baby gently in her arms.
Pull.
He pulled the rope with all his might.
Push.
He pushed the swing for his little brother.
Lock.
She locked the door before leaving.
Unlock.
She unlocked the safe to get her jewelry.
Cheer.
The crowd cheered loudly for the players.
Throw.
He threw the frisbee across the yard.
Carry.
She carried the groceries into the house.
Rest.
He rested under the tree after a long hike.
Hunt.
The lion hunted for its prey in the jungle.
Fetch.
The dog fetched the ball eagerly.
Fly.
The airplane flew above the clouds.
Play.
They played basketball in the park.
Walk.
She walks her dog every evening.
Skip.
She skipped rope during recess.
Flip.
He flipped the pancake perfectly.
Grab.
She grabbed her bag and rushed out.
Hide.
They hid behind the bushes during the game.
Roll.
The kids rode down the grassy hill.
Drag.
She dragged a heavy suitcase behind him.
Untied.
She untied the knots carefully.
Measure.
She measured the length of the fabric.
Count.
The kids counted the stars in the night sky.
Fold.
He folded the paper to make an airplane.
Pack.
She packed her clothes for the trip.
Water.
She watered the plants in the garden.
Stand.
He stood near the window, watching the rain.
Sit.
He sat on the bench, enjoying the view.
Travel.
She traveled to Europe last summer.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.